trade and investments are two important pillars for the Singapore economy. We just heard Vietnam sign a free trade agreement with the EU. Many see that as benefiting Vietnam, benefiting essentially from the whole trade diversion story, especially in sectors such as auto ancillaries and textiles. Do you think that's the way forward for Singapore also, to forge new alliances, new free trade agreements in this new world where we're seeing US-China tensions rise?
Absolutely, and I think, to be fair, they're already doing it, right? I think Singapore is a very much a trade-orientated community, and so we are especially sensitive to supply chain disruption. In recent times, there has been strong government support targeted at maritime aviation, land transport, and so on. But I think, as you described the Vietnam example, what's happened is that COVID-19 has accelerated the trend of companies moving operations out from China, which was when we had that with the US-China trade war. And so, Singapore needs to realign to the reconfigured supply chain. So if Vietnam is probably, to be fair, it's as good as it gets in terms of how they manage COVID-19. So they're first off the block in pole position with regards to economic recovery. I think we would benefit as well because there's going to be more intra-ASEAN trade. China is already our biggest trading partner. So I think as long as we continue to realign our supply chain and our trade and agreements and alliances and the ecosystem to the shifting supply chain, I think that would be important. I think the other thing I should mention is that over the years, as Singapore, we've really invested a lot in technology, in a robust digital infrastructure, in ecosystems. And so I think we're actually quite agile and we can pivot to the new demand. Clearly, we have to remain relevant in the new global supply chain situation.